fact that the mission actually puts a number makes it measurable, right? I do believe that. I think it's a very important characteristic to a mission to make it measurable. So point number one, and how do we translate that number into sub numbers, right? And divide it into breaking the mission further down is critical. So I think complement the target set, because it's very important to have that target. Second, I think Usha ma'am spoke about it not being so much about scarcity as much as about efficiency. I do completely concur with that point. I think the narrative has to change towards that, because for far too long, I think the conversation has sort of leaned in on looking at resource scarcity, right? But I think if we turn the conversation into efficiency, that's probably a better modern day approach in my mind, right? To be able to be in line with that approach. Point number three, I think again it came up in the previous points of economics. It's very important to integrate the economics into this conversation to make it relevant for the people who are in the last mile. I think again, as far as economics is concerned, for far too long there has been activism around pricing, basically, right? Simply because water has been a public supply resource, right? But I think we need to change the resource over there within our own communities. I think I'm seeing more and more traction on people beginning to understand that we just don't have, I mean, cannot afford to just fight against price of water, right? It's more about now talking about what are the solutions which will bring in better economic value, rather than just looking at the supply side pricing issue, right? Because I think over a period of time, the fight on pricing and public supply of water is likely to be a suboptimal fight. We will not win that battle, right? The only battle that has to be fought in making sure that people consume much more efficiently, and the economic benefits of that efficient consumption then translates to people, and it is well understood, right? That's point number three. I think economics is very, very important to integrate into this. The fourth point, I think, is about, people spoke about awareness, engagement, content, right? I mean, this is a behavioral change battle, right? So let's not underestimate that piece of it. It requires, I think, a significant amount of heavy lifting on rethinking the narrative, especially how do you make it extremely bite-sized, extremely simple, extremely democratized for simple people to be able to understand and move forward to implement, right? It's one of the struggles, and let me accept that on our front as well, right? As a federation of RWAs, right? Usually, how do you translate these the thinking and the talk, which is fairly technical, which is fairly intellectual, if I may put it that way, into a very common language, into a common narrative, I think is a challenge, right? We need to put our heads together to say, how do you make it extremely simple and attractive for that average household or the person who's in the committee of an RWA to be able to tell to people, right? That's point number four. One final point, I think we also have to create a compelling narrative to engage with the authorities, right? At the policy level, government bodies, everybody, BWSSB, people like them, right? Because then water is a public utility, right? It's a public issue as well. So if unless we bring them into the picture and get them to also play a compelling role, the Aam Janta is likely to always wait and watch and saying that, you know what, should I follow something like this? Should I do something like this? Or should I just sort of look at what BWSSB will supply and align to that, right? So we need to get the authorities also to collaborate on this mission and bring that message that this is a much more integrated effort, and hence everybody will accept that is a very, very important point. And I do believe that between this forum there are eminent people, right? We can all join forces to put that compelling pressure
wonderful.
on the authority side.